Hello, fellow cancer survivors. I am so happy because I'm celebrating my 25th year of or silver jubilee anniversary of being a cancer survivor. I am so blessed and grateful to God and of course to Dr. Hoson because he used him as an instrument for my healing. Once diagnosed with cancer, stay calm. Uh, Accept that you have the disease and go right away for treatment. Consult an oncologist or a breast specialist and follow his advice. Trust him just as I trusted mine. Do your part. Observe proper nutrition, exercise, um, and do social and psychological activities and explore all coping mechanisms to fight depression. Remember, that cancer is not a death sentence. But most of all, I should say, pray fervently to God, ask for a miracle because miracles do happen. I am a living proof that there is life after cancer. Just enjoy life, celebrate life, love life, and find beauty in it again. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.